This is a toilet in one of my rental properties, and I've already cleaned the toilet, but you can see that the bottom has kind of a yellow color to it. That's actually rust. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that rust-stained toilet bowl right now. When you find the water shut off, you're going to turn it off. With the cold water supply shut off, we're going to give the toilet a flush in order to empty the water out of the bowl. Once you've got the water as low as possible, now we are going to apply our cleaning solution. I'm going to be using some Iron Out today, so I will spray it liberally directly on the rust, and I'll get it into that water. Now with a good pair of gloves and a magic eraser, I'm going to go ahead and clean this bowl. And as you can see, that rust stain has completely disappeared. There's a little bit of a faint line on top. It's probably some lime and some water hardness, but it is coming off. That's all there is to it. We'll open that water shut off. We'll give the toilet a flush. I'll put links to everything I used in the description. There you go. The toilet is now crystal clear.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.